So hello guys, so in this video I will be unboxing my new iPhone 13. I have added, actually I am recording this video with my iPhone 13 itself, and I have made the unboxing video with another phone, and I will be just adding that video in the further part. And this is what the actual video with the front video with the front camera of an iPhone 13 looks like. And I just wanted to give you guys a glimpse of it, and in this video I'll also be telling you all the other specifications of this iPhone 13 and what was the price that I paid for that iPhone 13, and why, in my case, why did I get switched over to the iPhone instead of using continuing with my Android phone, which I have been using for the past 4 years. So watch the video till the end to know the complete detail of it. So guys, as you can see, the package comes completely well protected in a bag like this from Amazon, and if you order in Flipkart you may get an open box delivery. So let's tear it and unbox. Let's see what's there inside. So we can see a box here in a cardboard box. It's well protected. So guys, after removing the cardboard box, here we have the white color box in which we have our phone. The white color box looks amazing, and I have ordered the midnight color of the iPhone 13, midnight color with 128 GB storage variant. It comes with 4 GB RAM and 60 Hz refresh rate. 60 Hz refresh rate for an iPhone and Apple products is as good as 120 Hz in Android phones, I think. That's what people say. And here it comes with 2 strips on the back of the this white box, and here is the phone inside. The back looks so shiny and amazing, so glossy it looks, and the screen is covered with white color sheet. The black shines so nice. So guys, here we can see the back of the iPhone. It's so shiny, it looks as good as a mirror. And on the front we have this sheet on the screen. It comes with a USB-C to lightning cable and also a SIM ejector. These are the only 2 accessories that are provided, but not the adapter. A 20-watt adapter needs to be bought separately by everyone. It's provided with iPad but not the iPhone. Here is the SIM ejector that is provided with this iPhone in the box. So guys, now it is time to set up the iPhone. For setting up the iPhone, when you switch it open, it greets you in different languages at first, and first and foremost thing is to set up the language first, and then we have to connect it to a Wi-Fi from your friend, or if you have a secondary phone you can connect to that Wi-Fi. As you can see, we are setting up language here. We have to set up the language first, and after that we have to connect it to a Wi-Fi. So guys, now it is prompting us to connect to a Wi-Fi connection. After setting up the language and connecting to a Wi-Fi connection, the iPhone will ask you to set up Siri. And see, you can see me connecting it to a Wi-Fi connection, and after you set up all these connections, after setting up Siri, your iPhone is ready to be activated. So guys, now coming to the price of this iPhone, I bought it for a price of 49,000 rupees on Amazon Great Indian Festival. If I had exchanged my previous Android phone, which was Realme XT, which if I had sold on Cashfy, I would get 5,000 rupees for it, and so ultimately the value would become around 44,000 rupees, but I did not exchange, so I had to pay 49,000 rupees for this iPhone. So guys, now coming to whether you should switch to iPhone from your Android phone. Now, instead of telling the answer in a yes or no, I would like to give you some positive points and the cons of an iPhone or any Apple product for that matter. The positives are you get software updates for long years. That is one of the things that has attracted me to Apple products. And one more thing is the quality of the user experience. in the Apple phones is just amazing. Whichever the feature that Apple is providing, you can just you get the satisfaction of that feature very well. And one more thing is the camera, which I have loved very much. And the iPad which I am using here is which is being used for last 7 years, and even till date it works to the best, just like how it was when I brought it for the first time. And coming to the negative aspects that we may find with Apple products is, they of course they may seem a bit expensive if not bought during the times of sale. And one more thing is that the repairs and accessories are costly of this iPhone or iPads. So guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed and gained some knowledge of some value to you guys, and I hope it will help you in making your decisions about buying Apple products. This is all that I wanted to share through this video. Thank you guys.